Alright, so we got a nice assortment of shotguns. We got the high standard.
Some other stuff, but
We got a Mossberg 88, an 1100,
like a side by side,
and Mossberg 590, and an 870 clone with a nice short barrel.
Or holy fuck, that's loud. Yeah. Just lay it out like it'd be on your nightstand at home.
That's right. Just need my watch right here and a knife.
Flashlight, Bill. Flashlight.
Stand by. The muzzle flash illuminates things anyway.
Yeah. You need to see what you're shooting at, though.
After the first shot.
Yeah. That was loud.
Uh-oh! Did you get that on the camera?
Yep.
Stand by.
Different approach.
Someone's been watching videos on how to speed load, I think. Clear. Stand by.
I didn't bring any slugs.
Go ahead.
Talk a lot later.
Well, there you go. I'm not the only one that can do that. Stand by.
I wonder if the shorter barrel gives you a lot more recoil.
That's a penalty, isn't it?
See the old wad going, eh?
Yeah.
That was a nice run.
Alright, so this heat will start with 2 rounds in the shotgun. It'll be 2 small target shot. With an empty gun, you'll be running backwards to the barricade, shoot the pepper poppers, and then off to the tires with an empty gun. So no running will be done with a loaded gun.
Jeez, that loud.
Ben, tire. Clear.
It's so far over.
I should have, made more note of where it was.
Good.